All right, so in order to solve this inequality, actually there are two inequalities here. What you need to do is just try to reach to the y here, right? So we want to solve for the y there, right? Isolated. So what you're going to do first, you're going to take away 11 from the three terms. So 6 minus 11, you're going to be minus 5. 11 minus 11, you're going to cancel out. You're going to be just minus 2y. And minus 2 minus 11, you're going to be minus 13. All right, so the inequality does not change whenever you add or subtract a number. Now, the problem is whenever we divide by minus 2, obviously to get to the y, minus 2 and minus 2. All right, so the resulting here, you're going to be minus 5 divided by minus 2, you're going to be 5 over 2. This minus 2 cancels out, you're going to be just y. 13 divided by 2, you're going to be 13 over 2. Now, what happens if you divide by a negative number or multiply by a negative number? These inequalities, they must flip to the other side. So in order to do it correctly, you need to flip it this direction. All right, that's how it should be working. Now, we want solution in interval notation, all right? So in order to get the interval notation, we want to graph this inequality in the number line. So here we have two numbers, 5 over 2 and 13 over 2, right? So be careful about this. You need always to identify which one the smallest, and the smallest one is this one. 5 is smaller than 13, so 5 over 2 is smaller than 13 over 2. So let's say this is 5 over 2 here, and this is 13 over 2. All right. And then because right now these inequalities are strict inequalities, there is no equal sign in them. So this is going to be an empty circle. All right. So this is going to be empty here, and this is going to be empty in there. Okay. So this is going to be empty circle here, and this is going to be an empty circle as well. Now the y is in between them, both of them. So this is going to be the shaded area of the y's. Finally, the solution is going to be in an interval fashion way. So you're going to start from 5 over 2, go all the way to 13 over 2. And from 5 over 2, you're going to be open because you are not including 5 over 2. And 13 over 2 as well, you're going to be open, all right, because the inequalities here, they are strict inequalities, right? So that's it. That's your interval, 5 over 2, 13 over 2, open both sides.